Hello everyone. Hey, it's me, Georgie. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. I'm back with another video, girl. And today I'm gonna show you guys we have a new product. Well, we've had this product out for a minute on our store, but we recently added some new colors, and we will be adding a few more colors throughout the time. But for now we have four colors available, and I'm talking about the Velvet blending sponge. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen this on our website, and these are the two colors that we initially had this product available on, and so we recently added two new colors. And there's another one on the way, so be on the lookout for that. But we added a lavender color, or purple, and a green one. And I love that these actually match the Elements collection palettes. So if you guys want to match your velvet blending sponge with your favorite palette, you can, girl. You can. And so I wanted to show you guys, this is how the little sponge comes in packed. It comes with our logo, and then it says Velvet Blending Sponge. And then so it's a Ziploc type of little baggie. You just pull it out. And I love all of them, but this lavender one, oh my god, it's my favorite, girl. And let me just show you guys up close what it looks like, so you guys know and understand what the velvet feeling it's like, or where it comes from. But yeah, you guys can see it has a lot of microfibers on it, which is what makes it a velvet finish. And this also helps for a more full coverage finish. And then also another benefit of this sponge is that you can use it wet or dry, however you want. It works very well with liquid products, creams and powders, which we're gonna see today here on this video. But and then it's just a great price. It's just $6. So if you guys wanna check it out, the link is gonna be down below. But without anything else to say, we're gonna continue, and today I'm gonna do my foundation and how I usually do it. And today I'm gonna be using the little sponge to apply all my makeup, just so you guys can see how versatile this product is. And it's amazing. So let's start this video. So like I mentioned earlier, you guys, you can use it wet or dry. I just went ahead and got mine damp, and you guys can see that now that this is the dry one and this is a wet one. It almost pretty much doubles its size, so it's pretty big. And I just went ahead and color corrected off camera under my eyes and around my mouth area, just to cancel out any like darkness, or you know the drill. And you guys, I like to mix two foundations, but I wanted to show you guys that you don't need a lot of product with this sponge, because this won't absorb your product. So you save a lot of product. You don't need, like, basically you don't waste a lot of product. So but I'm still gonna mix a little bit of both foundations, but I'm gonna use just a little bit. So that's about one full pump, but I decided to mix both, around half and half. So alright, and that is my foundation blended out with the velvet blending sponge. And as you guys can see, there's not a lot of product on the actual sponge. And I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm gonna use these two shades to do my contour, and I'm gonna pick it up with the sponge. Now I'm gonna apply my favorite concealer. It's the Makeup Revolution concealer. And on top of that concealer, I'm gonna put another concealer that is a little bit closer to my skin tone. And I'm gonna blend everything out with the Velvet blending sponge. Now I'm gonna use my setting powder to set everything where I put the concealer on, and I'm still gonna use my Velvet blending sponge. And I'm gonna set my contour with some powder contour. And I'm gonna bake, and I'm gonna use a little bit of extra setting powder, so I'm gonna put it where I put the concealer, and then I will do the rest of my face off camera, and I will be back. Alright you guys, I'm back, and so I did the rest of my face off camera, but I know a lot of people had a lot of questions about how to use it with like creams and then powders and different type of products at the same time. But without much to say, I hope you guys like this video. It's a quick simple makeup with just lashes and a nice lipstick, which by the way, you guys like this lipstick? Because maybe coming soon. But you guys definitely check out the Velvet blending sponge. This is my routine when I use the Velvet blending sponge to do my simple makeup, my foundation, concealer and contour and all that. And as you guys can see, the finish is pretty good. Like, it's pretty full coverage, it's really flawless. Like, oh girl, I love it, I love it. So don't forget to check out this Velvet blending sponge. Remember that it's available at georgescosmetics.com, and it's only $6, girl. So girl, we got you, we got you. And also, this is a cruelty-free and vegan product, as well as silicone-free. And well, if you guys like this video, leave me a comment, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, follow me on all my social media that is gonna be linked down below. And well, this is Georgie, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.